Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enable two-step verification on ClearScore. To enable two-step verification on ClearScore, first of all, open a web browser and type in app.clearscore.com in it and make sure to log into your account first. After you are logged in, from the home page of ClearScore, click on the human icon at the top right corner. In the expanded pop-up menu, click on My Account. Under My Account, click on the View button under Account and Security. Now, click on Verify Your Email under Two-Factor Authentication. You will now need to click on the Send Verification Email button and you will receive an email verification link on your associated email address. Click Open a new tab and log into your email service provider. Soon after you receive your email, click it Open and click on Confirm My Email. Now once you do that, you will then be able to see this interface where it says two-factor authentication. In order to set up two-factor authentication, click on the Setup button. Now, you can select a method to receive a verification code. You can choose either Authenticator app or a text message. If you choose Authenticator app, you'll need to go ahead and download the Google Authenticator or the Authy app on your mobile devices or your computer and set it up. Another easy way to enable a two-factor authentication is by choosing text message. To choose text message, click on the Setup button right under text message and then enter your mobile phone number on the next page. Click on the Send Code button once you are done and you will receive a verification code sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the verification code in the text box and once you are done, click on Next. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable two-factor authentication on ClearScore. Once the two-factor authentication is enabled on your account, next time you log in, you will be asked for your password and verification code both. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security from unauthorized access to your account. So that is how you enable two-factor authentication on ClearScore. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.